Hello everyone, from JEE Main 2019 8 April question paper. Question is from differential equation part. Solution of differential equation x square plus 1 whole square dy by dx plus twice x into x square plus 1 y equal to 1 is, these are the given options. So first we divide this differential equation by x square plus 1 whole square. Then you see this equation reduced to dy by dx plus twice x into x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 whole square y equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. So this term will get cancelled. Now see, this equation become dy by dx plus, if we take, see, it is a function of x only and this is also a function of x, so this equation is in the form of dy by dx px into y into equal to qx. So this is simply linear differential equation. So we know how to solve linear differential equation. So first we have to find the integrating factor, and integrating factor is nothing but e to the power integration of px, and px is twice x by x square plus 1 dx. So this is nothing but, see, derivative of x square plus 1 is twice x, so e to the power log of x square plus 1, and this is simply x square plus 1. So we got the integrating factor, so we know how to solve linear differential equation. This is nothing but y into integrating factor equal to integration of integrating factor into qx dx. Now this is equal to y into x square plus 1 equal to integration of integrating factor is x square plus 1, and this is, so we got that term. So if we divide 1 by this, then qx is 1 by x square plus 1 whole square dx. Now this is equal to y into x square plus 1, and this term will cancel, so only term will be integration of 1 by x square plus 1, and integration of 1 by x square plus 1 is simply tan inverse x. So tan inverse x plus c. So y into, so option C is the correct answer.